My name's Ian Briggs. I am an instructor at the USF CTP programs. I've actually used Lean Six Sigma basically from when I started out in electronics manufacturing. So that was exciting because it allowed me to understand what waste was within the manufacturing process and also the importance of productivity or throughput. I then moved from electronics manufacturing and I actually started training athletes. And so it was a quantum leap, but in doing that, there's a lot of involvement in collection of data and analysis of data, which then leads to improved performance. And then moving to Microsoft, we actually applied Lean Six Sigma methodology to understand how we could plan and schedule software engineers globally. So that was quite a big undertaking. And then now, of course, I teach at USF, and it's an exceptional position to be in to be able to teach these concepts and this approach that they can go back and use it in their daily lives, but also in their work life.